The honor roll diet. I studied with honors. My transcript was beautiful, and my pancreas was failing. I thought I was fueling my degree, but I actually was writing a prescription for a collapse. In today's video, it's all about the university diet that nearly cost me my diploma and almost cost me my life. Please do stay with me so you never make the mistakes that I made. It's all coming up right now. Hey friends, if you are new here, my name is Susan Burr and welcome to our channel. I personally have hypoglycemia for 27 years now, and I've had to research everything about it so that I could help myself and adjust. Well, after doing that for such a long time, I realized there must be someone else out there just like me. But how can I find them? And that's when I decided to start this channel, so that we can join together and help each other. Hypoglycemia is a very funny thing. It looks like so many other things. It could look like panic attacks, it could look like stress, it could even look like the day before your own wedding. Well, that's why this channel is here. So if you are a returning friend, we thank you so much, and we are so glad you are here. Now, in today's video, this is about what we normalize in the name of productivity. All-nighters over nutrition. Anyone, have you ever done that? Caffeine and sugar as a food group? No, that's not right. But many of us do that. And I certainly did that in my college days, okay? We'll talk about the student scam, the trophy of weight maintenance, and how I walked across the stage towards a cliff. Now, this is all a preview, the sugar nightmare that I had. Now, what is the student scam? Now, whether or not you've been to uni doesn't matter, because this can happen to anyone, okay? You know, there's no time to cook, you're too busy, no money for real food, I'm always in a rush. Well, for me, cookies were cheap and milk was easy. My study fuel was definitely sugar in those days. Everyone around me at that time ate worse than what I did, or so I thought, right? Ramen noodles, energy drinks, cold pizza, leftover next day pizza, you get what I mean? I thought I was really okay with what I was eating and how I was eating. I really didn't get that there was anything wrong at all. I had milk for protein. What was the scam then? Well, I told myself this was temporary. Well, 4 years of temporary is a lifestyle. It's not temporary. Okay? My debt was well hidden. Okay, my grades were up, but my health was unknowingly going down. And quite fast, I might add. Every A that I got came with a pack of cookies. Every all-nighter study came with a sugar transfusion. I celebrated exams with more sweets. My GPA climbed, but my blood sugar stability actually plummeted. I didn't connect the fatigue to the kinds of food choices that I was making in those days. I blamed the library, I blamed too much studying, I blamed the stress, I blamed the schedule, but the schedule wasn't eating half a pound of cookies. I was. Little did I know what would happen in the future. Well, more than 10 years later, it all came crashing down on me. And boy, did it hit me hard. Okay? Never could I have thought that it would end up like it did. Okay? So today's video is just a campus tour of my sugar nightmare. The full entire personal party crash, my full story, is in the link down below. Please, pretty please, check it out as soon as you can, because it will save lives. It may save your life, and it may save the life of someone you love. It is a 1 hour and 15-minute video, and it gets into all of the nightmare episodes of what happened. The medical part, the money part, the no insurance part, my marriage went upside down part, it's all in there. And I hope that it never happens to you. So degrees don't protect you from your own biology. Your body doesn't care about your GPA. So when you have a minute, and I know you're busy, please check out the link below. By the way, I also have a free guide for you, how you can take away sugar starting today. It is a free link. You can download it anytime. And please let me know in the comments, what kind of sugar episode are you going through right now? Okay, my friends, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. All I want,